Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can unlink a chart you insert from Google Sheets into your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, let's assume you have already inserted a chart like this pie chart from your Google Sheets account. In this case here, you will need to click into these three dots here and then select Unlink. That's option number one. What if you have a new document? Let me create a new drawing here. Well, in this case here, let's say you would like to insert a chart from Google Sheets. Click into Insert, hover your mouse over Chart, select from Sheets, navigate to the given chart here from your library, click into Insert, and then before inserting or importing it, make sure that you unselect Link to Spreadsheet. Click into Import. And now it's not connected or linked to your chart on Google Sheets. However, guys, if you want to change the data, for instance, for the given chart, you will need to link it with the outgoing chart here on Google Sheets, so that the data you enter here may be also translated into your data in your pie chart here on Google Drawings, because you can't change the value or the values or the data here in your pie chart on Google Drawings. It doesn't work. I don't know why, but you will need to do it via Google Sheets. And to make that happen, both will be, or it will be needed to link your pie chart on Drawings here on Spreadsheet using the method I just showed you. In reverse, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.